How to share safe collection on Instagram with friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on a device. Now on the home page, simply tap on save on any post. Now tap on create a collaborative collection. Now tap on name of your collection. Now select the friends. Then tap on save at the top right corner. Now select the saved post. Now tap on next at the top right corner. Now simply go back and tap on message at the top right corner. Now open up the recent message and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.